My people, wonder shall never end. Another one don't still happen again. No be small something oh. As I did my own yesterday, my people. No be small thing I happen to me, oh my people. Things they happen for this place when I did so. I know they find trouble. And I know say as we dey post some of for this pastor video, we still dey make them they go viral. Now we dey viral them. People go dey know them more. My people, wetin happen to me yesterday? No be small thing oh. Yesterday na so I come receive email say this man of God he don give me strike. Things dey happen. Na this small page now na you call attack. Why na? Why una dey do like this? For me, for this place when I there, I never insult anybody or any man of God. I know they insult anybody or commoner. I know they insult. I don't like that insult you the mad. Now me with you today, I go the nag. I go talk the thing the way it is. And I understand. Now so this man of God come waka kurukere with my people. He can't temper my page. Oh. He said take it. Not be claim na he claim mama say we dey share the thing together. He can't give me strike. As you dey enter altar dey preach, they give your congregation, your members, you dey tell them say Jesus is coming very soon. God said this one, or if I look your palm, I go tell you wetin God. I go tell you wetin I see. Why you can't do this thing to me? I know they find trouble. I mean because say I still dey post this guy Mathias Ezeaku. My people, as we dey here we be blogger. Anything wey come out now we dey post. Una understand? Na so this man of God come give me strike oh my people. I dey post many men of God. They never give me strike since how many years? And this man of God now this let me say this year now I just post this man of God. Let me say few video. You not even reach 3 a bit 2. That's why I post this man of God though. As they break that yesterday when be Sunday, my people. Now so this man of God can't give me strike. I never insult this man of God once at all. This man of God tell me say take this strike. I never attack this man of God once. If you with Mathias get wahala, na me we won't use a take face. I never get issue with una at all. And I understand. I can never get issue with anybody or any pastor because my mama trained me well. I know Edda. I know small peken. I know they quit the insult, but not find my trouble. I know they drag anybody. I just dey here the mileage. If anything, just do karam, you go share am. Now so you just be. Not be only you be man of God. When I dey post the video, you know, we go still make them go viral. Not be only you. And this small page now you can still come temper. I know call your name, not be say I dey fear to measure your name. I know they fear. But that thing when you do, you not good though. You dey enter altar. Even if say you get who wrong you, the person they curse you, as a man of God when you be. Wait till you they preach, they give your member. Not be forgiveness. Not be forgiveness. You know if you forgive. So I just dey laugh. No, I dey serious. This one not be laughing matter. This man of God not try. He not try at all. I beg if you across this video, you know say na you. I beg remove the copyright strike. I beg remove it. Now I beg now they beg you. I not do anything. You understand? I never insult any man of God. I know they quit the insult. Now I be my own. I will say they insult. Maybe this page, if I don't boom. If I don't boom, because now all those insults, now people they like well. Me, I know they insult people. I not be that kind of person when they insult people because of say people won't recognize me. I won't go viral. I will come out for social media. They talk anyhow, talk, use my tarnish this one, talk about this one, say this one not good, this one a bad thing, this one a bad person, this one a fake man of God. No. I beg, now they beg you, go remove her. I beg. I beg. Wetin you for do? I know say most of una dey across our video when we dey post. Wetin you for do? You for still message me, you understand, or you email me. As they take email me say that you give me copy. I beg, man of God, I dey beg you. I dey beg you. I no dey look for wahala o. As you see me now, as you watch me, you check my mind. As you dey check people pass, you still dey tell them wetin wetin dey be. I be better person. I no insult you. I will say I get bad mind or bad mouth. You for say I say I don't throw away words give you. I don't insult you. No. I can never dey insult anybody. Even if say na common or man of God or na mad person. I no dey insult. Now understand, this page is not made for insult. Oga man of God, abeg go remove wetin you do. If you with Mathias get wahala, no use am take face me. I no cause rain when dey fall. Abeg, not me dey cause the wahala. Abeg, my own na blog. Na I be. As the thing dey happen, that's why I dey post am. Say, see wetin this one talk o. This one say na this one. Abeg, go remove am, abeg. Abeg, go remove am, abeg. Na beg, na dey beg you, man of God. Okay? Na beg, na dey beg you. Please. No, I dey post Papa J. That is Jeremiah Motofufe. Many pastors, Bamidele, many. I dey post them. They never give me this kind of a thing. I no be that kind of person when they insult people or because say I won't go viral. I say I go just carry this man of God matter. I go just dey curse am, dey insult am because I won't get view or I won't get subscriber, I won't get follower. I beg, now they beg you. Do the needful, please. I beg. Go remove that thing. Go remove am. Go remove am. I dey my own jejeje. Me too no get wahala. Okay. Abeg, una dey make me dey laugh. Abeg. I dey serious o. No be say I dey laugh, say I no dey serious. Dey talk. I dey serious. Na so my mind be o. Just go remove am. Abeg, now dey beg you. You hear? All these videos when we dey carry, we dey post am, we dey promote una free of in charge. People dey use money take dey do am. Abeg. Your page don big. You dey collect many things for there. You dey catch out. No be small catch out. Abeg na dey beg you. Abi you know what my catch out as a man of God when you be, so you no need my progress. Abba, Oga pastor, go remove that thing. Abeg, now they beg you. Now here now I want talk rich. My people, abeg make una share this video. Abeg make una help me tag the man of God. If una know am, make una help me tag am o. This man of God don start o. If he with Mathias Ezeaku get issue, I no cause any wahala. Una understand? I no cause anything. My own be say na viral, na dey viral na. I dey make una dey viral. Una understand? Abeg, go remove am. I dey promote una. Na viral, na dey viral na. I'm promoting you guys. Why na? Oga pastor, go remove am. And whether na Zaza mini ministry, abeg, I don call the name now. Abeg, make una go remove am o. I no dey fight trouble. I no dey insult. My people na here now want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching. Abeg, make una share. Make una still tag am because I don call the name Zaza Mimi Sri. Abeg, make una tag am. May you please, may you remove that thing wey you give me. Which kind of wahala be this? Okay, guys, ciao. See, this one of the child matter. See now, since when I talk, you don't say I don't insult you. No, I can never insult. If now all those people, some bloggers, they don't curse you with that. They don't use mouth. Say which kind man of God when you be fake. No, I know they insult. As the matter they be, now so I tell they drop am. I know they insult any man of God or either any commoner, no, or person, or I know they try am. As the thing they be, as the matter they be, now so I tell they drop am. I know they lie. Abi if I talk to liar, una go like am? No, I no dey lie. Dem say pipu wey dey talk truth, dem no dey too much dey follow dem, dem no dey like dem. Na im be dis one so. Oga pastor, please go remove dat thing abeg. Thank you.